Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We will explore about OV270 2MP USB camera, a compact and high performance USB camera used for embedded systems and industrial purpose. It is a 2MP high resolution image sensor, most probably clear and sharp image quality. This camera provides best performance and high low light conditions. This camera has USB plug and play connection, and this is a driver free installation, easy to use. It is a compact and lightweight device, compatible with computer systems, embedded systems and industrial purpose. This camera used in multiple applications like embedded systems, industrial automation, robotics, AI machine vision and smart surveillance, research development and embedded educational products. Benefits of this small device is easy to install and no additional drivers are needed, reliable performance and most compact size for the projects and suitable for commercial and industrial purpose. If you are a student or any startup building an embedded project camera, this is the most useful product for your project. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more details. Check the product link mentioned below. Thanks for watching. We will see in the next video.